I'm going to put the high-heeled shoe insert into here. The way that you do it is in the package you will have temporary glue squares, and you will have the inserts, which are like this on the back. It has a permanent adhesive on the back. This is the left side and this is the right side. They go into the forefoot area, and this is the arch area insert. It goes in front of the heel, and the other arch area insert. And so what you do is you put the shoe on and you mark where your foot is at the widest, and you put a mark in there, which you can see there on the medial side, and you put another mark on the lateral side, so that you're marking where your foot is at its widest. And if you feel the side of your foot, you can feel a bump just at the base of the big toe. That's where it's widest. And the same on the other side at the base of the small toe. And so you put the insert in. This is the right foot insert, and you will notice that on the insert itself there's two markings, one on each side. So all you do is match up those markings with the markings that you put into the shoe. And that's all there's to it. And you will notice that it's slightly bigger on this side. There's more space on the big toe side of the insert than there is on the little toe side here. And that's because the toes, this raised area of the insert, which is a toe grip area, that raised area at the front, this one, it goes only under the middle three toes, and so the big toe goes on this side and little toe goes on this side of it, and they are able to provide propulsion and balance to the foot, which makes for a very natural walk in high-heeled shoes, because your shoe is much more stabilized with these inserts in them. These are pour-on inserts. They never crush, and they provide excellent cushioning to the ball of the foot, targeted right into the middle of the ball of the foot, exactly where it needs it most. And that's because they are custom fitted to the shoe. And the insert that goes at the heel end of the shoe goes approximately 2 finger widths from the back of the shoe. And so you put it in at that point. And the intention of that is to keep the heel from sliding forward, and these little edges here, these little points that stick up, and there's a little bit of a divot in the middle, that accepts the heel, and these keep the heel from sliding from side to side. Not as crucial in a shoe like this, but in a mule, very crucial, because it'll keep the mule on your foot.